Hey friends, it's Jeremiah here, and today we're going to talk about AppStorage, the new property wrapper for iOS 14 and SwiftUI. It's a wrapper around user defaults, and it lets us persist data to the user default store very easily. Let's see how. I've created a new project in Xcode 12 Beta 6 and called it AppStorage Demo. I'm going to hit that resume, get the live preview going, and now I'm going to add some code. I want to add a toggle that shows a user's notification preferences. First, I need a notifications enabled property, and this is going to be a bool, and I'm going to give it a default value of false, and I'm going to add the state property wrapper to it. Now I can get rid of this text, and I can replace it with VStack and embed a toggle inside of it. I'm going to give the toggle a notifications label, and the isOn parameter will reference the notifications enabled property. Now hit resume, and I'm waiting for my UI to update, and there it goes. I like it, but it needs a little room around the edges, so I'm just going to add some padding here to the VStack. This is great, but I can't interact with it yet, so I'm going to turn on the live interaction, and now I can toggle this to true, false, whatever I want it to be. But it's not persisting right now. So AppStorage is a great solution to have it persist. So I'm going to change the state to use AppStorage property wrapper. I'm going to give it a key of notifications enabled. Now this will persist across launches. It's getting a little long, so let me collapse the inspector over here. There we go. Now I can test the storage. Live preview's pause. I'm going to hit resume. Once it finishes, I can test the interaction. I don't need to launch the app to test this persistence. So it's ready, it's on. Now let me restart Xcode. There we go. The notifications toggles should go on when things restart. I have to hit resume again. There should be some suspenseful music here. And there it is, it's on. So the preference persisted across launches. And that is AppStorage in SwiftUI iOS 14. Hey friends, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about AppStorage in SwiftUI. It is a great way to work with user defaults in iOS 14 for SwiftUI. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you can get more great iOS developer content. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you next time.